Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about how to identify bullish and bearish candles. There are many candlestick types such as Marubozu, hammer, shooting star, spinning top, hanging man, and inverted hammer. Based on their shapes and characteristics, traders usually try to determine how bullish or bearish they are. However, the core principle of the EnDo strategy is to remove unnecessary doubt and complexity and to keep everything simple, clear, and easy to understand in any situation. Therefore, if a candle closes above its opening price, we consider it a bullish candle. If it closes below its opening price, we consider it a bearish candle. In other words, we classify candles only into two meanings, bullish or bearish. This principle applies equally to monthly, weekly, and daily candles. And that's it. It's really that simple. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.